Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by opening Themify and signing in. This ensures your projects sync across devices. Once signed in, grant the essential permissions so the editor can save media and send updates. Next, tap the template gallery. Choose a template that matches your goal or select blank to control every element. You do this because a template accelerates layout while blank gives flexibility. Make sure to name the project immediately so autosave ties changes to the right file. Now you build the page by dragging modules onto the canvas. Start with header and hero, then add content blocks. Once placed, use the Style panel to tweak spacing, typography, and color so visual hierarchy communicates priority. You should set responsive breakpoints with the device toggle. This ensures text sizes and grid columns adapt to phones and tablets. While editing, preview changes and lock reusable sections to speed later updates, because consistent components reduce revision time. Finish by previewing across devices and publishing when satisfied. This pushes your live update and triggers CDN refresh. Once published, check performance. Optimize images, enable lazy load, and minify CSS inside Themify settings to keep load times low. If something looks off after publish, clear the browser cache and the app cache. If misalignment persists, reset that module styles or reapply the template section. Keeping a backup version before big changes prevents lost work, so save a duplicate before major edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.